One day, Eva and Nana went to the shop and bought 27 Pili Pili sweets. What? 27 Pili Pili sweets? Oh my goodness. On their way back to the house, they met their 7 friends playing and decided to share the sweets equally.
How many sweets should each get?
Asked Iva. Then Nana said,
I don't know, but let me go ask Dad. He knows everything, and he says he was always number 1 in school.
Dad came to the rescue. Hello, children, he said.
Now, we are going to use the long division method. How many are you?
They kids looked at each other and established that they were 9 in total.
Good. Now here we divide 27 sweets by 9 as follows. It can also be written this way too. What we need to ask ourselves is, how many times can 9 go into 2?
And all the kids said 9 is greater than 2.
Very good. And how many times can it go into 27?
All he got was blank stares because it was taking forever to share the Pili Pili sweets.
Okay, for us to find how many times 9 goes into 27, we can use the following simple trick. Take 9 and add 9, what do we get?
All the kids shouted 18.
Very good. Let us add another 9 to 18 and see. Who can tell us the answer?
All answered 27.
Oi! There we have a 27. How many times has 9 gone into 27? Let us all count.
1, 2, 3, all the kids said. Dad continued and said,
Now we write our 3 up here and multiply it by 9. From our rough book, we have seen 9 multiplied by 3 is 27. We write our 27 down here, let us subtract the 2. What is 27 minus 27?
Everyone agreed that the answer was 0.
So, our answer is 3. Everyone gets 3 Pili Pili sweets. Very good.
Everyone was happy. Everyone said, thank you. As Dad returned to the house, he said, sharing is caring.